What is going on, guys? Welcome to Gregos TV, and this video is all about Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 orders and Flip 5 orders and the trade-in issues that you guys are continuing to have. Now, Samsung has awesome trade-in deals. They're so enticing, especially lately. They've been giving tons of money towards trade-ins, and it makes the price of the next phone way more tolerable than you would expect or even maybe believe. So that's not anything different. Last year wasn't that great, but you know, trade-in values have been great. And a lot of people are trading in their phones, and it's continuing, guys. The issue that I spoke about last year, where when you're sending off your trade-in phone for any Samsung phone, it doesn't just have to be the Galaxy Z Fold 5, because this has now been happening for a couple of years now, you have to do the following. You have to, and I made a video on this, you have to video record you putting it in the box. Actually, before you even do that, video record that it's completely reset. Keep the camera on while you are boxing it up and taping it up. Record when you give it to the person, get a receipt that it's been shipped, put tampering tape all over the box, so if it's been tampered with, you know, Samsung knows that, you know, FedEx or UPS or whoever got shipped to them did it, or somebody in their factory did it. But it's happening again. It's happened to one of my friends who is having this issue. He's also a YouTuber. He sent me off a picture of his Z Fold 5 trade-in, and he said the box is empty. It's crazy, and he did not ship the box empty, and they show a picture of it empty, and I know it's on Reddit too, because I'm seeing it on Reddit again all over the place, where people are shipping off their devices, and they are arriving quote-unquote empty when it's opened up. It's ridiculous, guys. It's so crazy. And you know, my friend's opening a case with FedEx, and I told him to also contact Samsung and tell them to show you more pictures of the box to make sure it is your box, because it doesn't even show the label of where the box has come from. You know, that would be one thing. And also, you get to ask too, when Samsung did receive it or FedEx had it, what was the weight of the box? Because when they first got it, it had a weight, and then when it was delivered, it had a weight. So they must know at least the weight they had at the time of pulling it into their system. And then also beyond this, you're kind of SOL, because you go to Samsung and say, hey, my phone was shipped with it, and they're saying, no, it wasn't. And it's your word versus their word. And sometimes it works out. Sometimes you can get talking to someone and they'll be like, okay, we'll reverse it. We'll refund you back the charge that we charged you for the missing phone. And then other times they don't. And it's a big hassle. And a lot of people still don't know about this. And somebody's scamming somebody. It's either, I hate to say it, Samsung, I can't imagine they would scam people, but possibly Samsung scamming somebody, or FedEx or UPS is scamming somebody, or there's somebody, the company that Samsung, I assume, hires is scamming somebody. Somebody is not being truthful in this situation. I don't know who it is, but someone isn't, or unless it's just a complete mess up of their system. But it's absolutely crazy, and you have to be very, very careful. I personally have had I've never had an issue with a trade-in. They never said it was broken. I've never had an issue. I know also you guys, most of you guys haven't had issues too. It is a small amount of people that are having issues with their phone, but it's enough to where it seems like it's more so than any other manufacturer where you're sending off these phones, guys. It's pretty insane. So be very, very careful. Be very vigilant. If this issue does come in hand with you, hopefully you have recordings of it and tell Samsung you'll send it to them. If you don't, then say, hey, show me all the pictures you have. Show me the label. Make sure it's mine. What did FedEx say when it was received with them? Is it them that lost the phone while it was in the package? It's somebody's fault beyond your own, obviously, because you know what you put in there. You know what it was all, you know, wrapped up and given to. So someone is doing bad things on this. So keep aware, guys. Hopefully this video helps you. I will put the original video where I show you how to, you know, get everything ready if you are going to ship it off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road.